Hey guys, so I'm sitting here editing my video and I realized I did not film an intro, so here's the intro. I look a mess, but it's quarantine life, you know what I mean? So this video is going to be on how I do my nails at home, gel nails at home for the first time. So if you're interested in watching, then just stay tuned. Came in this box here. It did come in the Amazon box, but then it came in this box here. So you can always keep this, you know, to put it away or whatever the case may be. Okay, so here I have everything that came in the box, everything that I purchased. So you do get a charger here. It doesn't come with the actual like plug-in adapter, so you do have to either purchase one or use like the one from your cell phone or whatever. So as you can see, that's it right there. This is the actual lamp right here. So that's what it looks like. And here it is. And you can go ahead and cure your nails for 30 seconds, 60 seconds, or 90 seconds. Okay. It came with this little pack right here. And in here, you get 3 polishes. You get your, hold on, let's start with, yeah. You get your base coat. You get a matte top coat. You get a regular top coat. So you get those 3. And then the one that I purchased, it came with some gel polishes. So I'm going to show you the colors that it came with. And I think this was a really good value for, you know, speaking of the products you're getting. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8. I got 8. So I'm going to just take them all out and show you guys the colors. So the colors are on the stickers on top, so it makes it a little bit easier. So this is the first one I got, which is like a lavender color. No, my mistake. This is purple with glitter. This one has glitter in it. And then we have this one, which is lavender. It kind of looks like blue on camera, but it's like a periwinkle lavender color. Now we have this pink one, like a baby pink. A white. A yellow. A dark pink. Green, which is the color I'm going to use today, so I'm just going to put that aside. And an orange, my favorite color. So, you know, the smaller bottles, you know, gel is more expensive anyways, but it's worth the money. So you get that, and I think this is a really good starter kit as well. And then you also get this little pack here. So this has the nail gel cleanser pads, and it also has like just a cleaning pad here. It says environmental remover pad. So I guess to like just get the stickiness off. And then this one, yeah, this is the alcohol one. So this one will be to get the stickiness off, because sometimes the gel can be sticky and you want to use alcohol to take that stickiness off. But you do get a lot here, so that's really cool. I didn't even know it brought this, so that's a nice touch. And then last but not least, you also get this little kit too. So it comes in this little plastic case, which is nice. It's easy to travel with, easy to store away. And you get some toe separators if you want to do your toes. You get a brush, because you do have to brush off, you know, any debris, the powder from filing your nails. You do get a nail tool, so you can push your cuticles back. You can clean up your nails. And then this is cuticle oil. You also get this tool right here, which is just to kind of clean up and cut your cuticles. You get a, oh my god, a nail clipper. You get a nail file and a nail buffer. So for the price, I think this is really good. You get a lot of products in here, which is awesome. You know, just all the essentials that you would need anyways. So I think this is really, really good. So I'm going to put this all away because I have my own tools that I'm going to use right now. So I do have my little cuticle tool right here. I do have a buffer and a nail file. And a nail file. They're jacked up. They're old. I've been using them, so I'm just going to continue using them. So these are my nails right now, and for those of you who have been watching my videos, you see that I always have like acrylics on my nails. So I just recently took off my acrylics, so my nails are very weak and brittle. They are not strong at all. And just a fun fact, I'm a nail biter. I bite my nails. I've always bitten my nails, and having acrylics just prevents me from doing that. So since I took them off and I want to do a more cheaper route, I'm going to do the gel, and yeah, hopefully it works out for me. That's what we're about to test right now. So my nails, aside from me eating them, they've always been weak. It's not because of the acrylics. My nails have always been weak, and then I just want to bite them off. So I had nail polish on, and since my nails do have the grooves from the actual acrylic, some of it did not come off. So if that's what you see, that's what that is. But we're just going to do what we can. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this, and I'm just going to push back my cuticles a little bit. I'm not going to clip my cuticles at all. I've already done that. And I'll keep you guys updated, like, you know, how long it lasts and etc, etc. So definitely just, you know, subscribe or just, you know, pay attention to my videos. Turn on your notification bells. That way you can be notified. So I already pushed my cuticles back. Now what I'm going to do is just going to file lightly. I've already did this before too, but just since my nails kind of broken a little bit throughout the day, I'm going to just file them ever so slightly. If you want to file them rounded, if you want to file them, you know, square, go ahead and do so. So I filed them just a little tiny bit. I want my nails to grow. I just kind of made them a little bit even. So now I'm going to take the buffer and I'm just going to buff my nails. So this is also going to help get rid of the grooves that I have in my nails because of the acrylics. And it just makes them so soft on top. And by the way, I've already done my toes with this, and I love the results so far. I just got this machine today, so I don't know how long, you know, it lasts or anything like that. So that's what we're going to find out today. Starting today. Okay, so I did buff them. Now I'm going to take the brush that comes with this. And it's just like a makeup brush. And I'm just going to make sure I brush away all the powder from every corner. Just make sure your nails have no fallout, no debris, no nothing. Okay? Do the same thing on the other hand. Okay, so see, I took the adapter. I'm going to plug that in. And then I'm going to plug this in. And I'm going to plug it into the actual light. So there we go. And you see it turned on. So I'm sorry this is going to be in the way. If it bothers you, I apologize. I'm going to put it right here so you guys can see. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go in with the base coat. Okay, and I'm going to do a very thin coat of this. Very thin, like the thinner the better. So just a very thin coat on each nail. And make sure you're actually applying it, but make sure it's a thin amount. Make sure, okay. I'm not applying more to it, guys. I'm just making sure it's even. Okay. So after I do that, it's wet right now. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. And then I'll go ahead and put my hand in and I'll start the countdown. Okay, so now if you touch them, they are a little tacky, okay? So we're not finished. So I'm going to go in now and I'm going to use this green. I'm feeling kind of, you know, spring. So I'm going to use this bright green. And this green, you can tell right off the bat that you need to do multiple coats. So I'm going to do 2 coats. So I'm going to go ahead with the first one. So again, I'm going to take a very light layer, okay? Alright, and then go on to the next nail. Just a light thin layer. If you get some like on the corners of your nails, go ahead and clean it up before you cure it. Okay, so that's one layer. So I'm going to go ahead and stick it in, and I'm going to cure it for another 60 seconds. Okay, this is already the first layer. It's cured. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and do the second layer. I may do 3 coats just because this green is so light. But that's the beauty of gel. You don't have to necessarily sit there and wait for each coat to dry. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and cure it for another 60 seconds. And you don't need to press it. You just put your hand in and it automatically starts. So this is what 2 coats looks like. I'm going to do just one more coat, just because it's my preference. You don't necessarily have to, but I'm going to go ahead and do one more coat. So if you're not going to do a 3rd coat, then just basically disregard this step right here. But I'm going to do one more, and it's just going to be a very thin coat. Okay, so now I finished, and that's the 3rd coat. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to take the regular top coat, and I'm going to apply a thin layer of this right on top. So just like the base coat, we're going to do another thin layer of this. Make sure you get every corner, because this is what's going to seal it all together so you don't get any like breaking or anything like that. And I'm not zooming you guys all the way in because I guess this is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just painting my nails. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cure it for 90 seconds because this is the last time I'm going to cure it. So I want to make sure it's locked and safe. So we're going to do for 90 seconds, the last one. Alright, so I already pressed the 90. Now I'm just going to go ahead and place my hand in and just wait for it to cure. Okay, so now that is done, and you can touch it and it's not sticky at all. But if it is, what I recommend you doing is taking one of those alcohol pads, or you could just take a tissue, and in here I have alcohol. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray the alcohol on the tissue and just wipe them down just like that. And that's it. I'm done. And as you can see, none of the polish came off. And that is it. And I'm finished. So this is awesome for me because 1, is going to keep my nails a little bit harder. 2, I have children. So by the time one coat dries, something happen. I gotta change a diaper, I gotta make a bottle, I gotta do something. So this is awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other hand, and then I'll show you guys both of them when they're done. Okay, so I'm all done, and these are my nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in this gel kit, I will have a link down below in my description box, so make sure you check it out, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!